Let's try this one. Double tap the screen and show us love, my friend. Today is a special day. I hope your Saturday is going so good. Look at this dumbbell. Take a look. Operation Break Backbone. This is what we want to pieces it and refix it in a new way that we love to use it. You know, that's why you see the topic, you see the title. The title is now, let us not use it to block your view from seeing the TV. Also, you should be seeing the TV. You should be watching music and enjoying yourself. Let me debate you a little bit to see. But maybe when I put some TV here now, I know most of you will just concentrate on watching the TV. Check the product. Check the product. Check the product. This is what we are dealing with today. This for one of pieces. But before I start anything, before I will start anything, I don't forget my own watch, which I just want to put on. You know, this is the watch I cannot show you on this video because we are talking about this one. So we are not going to talk about another person's, another company product or another product. We're going to focus on this one. But I put on my watch because I'm working on my body. I mustn't forget about my watch. Because I'm going to use my hand, my fingers to work on this. This is why I use this and I train first. You know. Show us some love, man.